Hi everyone, this is Olivia. Long time no see, and I received happy mail from my friend Sue Ann and my address. And I'm gonna cut these stamps, really pretty stamps, Sue Ann, and then the envelope. And then she gifted me happy Christmas happy mail, and I love this little bag, Christmas bag. And inside, it's a really good bag. It, it gets really stuck. And she has here, I know she made this envelope. And she goes, a very Merry Christmas to you. And inside, this what was wrapped around it, and a gift card. And she says, Christmas card kit. Merry Christmas, love, Sue Ann Thompson. So thank you. And oh, look at, I know she made this, I know already this folder envelope, but she has a kit in here. I want to take everything out to make Christmas cards. And she even has a stamp for me to use. May your holidays be bright. And a die cut. Excuse me, I'm getting tired. And then these little um, sequence, Christmas sequence in there. And then she gave me some card stack, Christmas card stack. Here's the envelope to make. I mean, a card, and then here's the envelope. Here's a tag if I want to use a tag. And then there's another one here. And this is, did you make these up, Sue-Ann? I love, and then here's the envelope on this one. And then look at this. I could do this. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna use this. I just started making cards, and I was inspired by all the time by Miss Jeannie Dreamer. And of course, I didn't do no video um, when she did her cards, and then I did them. I just sent them out for thank you. Put this right here, my little stamp, and here's the next one. And here's some more goodies to make. Oh wow! Look at this. Wow, stickers it looks like, or scratch. Oh, look at cutouts too. Trees. Oh, look at the little gingerbread. Oh, oh, thank you. Oh, look at these. The pressure is on. Look at these, the deer and the bear. Thank you so much. And this has foil on this one. Wow, that's a lot. And then here's a envelope. And then here's a big envelope for the bigger cards, or excuse me. And then she has a scrapbook or paper, for me to use. Here's the card, layering. God, thank you so much. This is an excellent gift. I love it. Thank you so much, Suran. I'll put everything in here. And put my little cutouts right in here. Make sure they don't get bent. No, the envelope did, but it's okay. Thank you so much, Suran. I love it. Thank you for the card kit and the envelope. And then the last thing I was working on and I finished, it was at Angel. And uh, this was an Angel wings. I have the other one that I bought at Walmart a while back. Had the good two tones of pink and the gold and the glitter. Then I had this doll at her arms, the torso hanging out on my desk for a long time, and I wanted to make something out of her. So I decided to make a tassel angel, and I use this trim Where is it at? I knew it was, oh, right here. To make her crown, that's from Hobby Lobby. And then I put, and then this bling trim is from Hobby Lobby too. And then I put the bling here like a necklace, and then put this like a little like a um, on her sweater. And I used this laces from Michael's a while back. And then here's her arms. And I forgot I have to put a little small um, ornament there. So I just remembered right now. And then I made the tassel, and this is it. So this is the back. I did use glue, but I wanted to make it more sturdy, so I tied her with the wire that gold wire I bought at Michael's. So put that, untied her up so she'll be, she won't fall. The only thing, I have a gold flower I have that I poinsettia. I gotta cover it with that. But this is the back. And I hope I wasn't framed. So this is my last project I worked on, and I do have some more in a box, and I'll show you the box just a minute. So this is my box. All this stuff was on my desk, and I even bought some more shelves because I'm trying to push myself to try to make some more altered shelves I have here that I bought at I think I bought these at Michael's. They were like less than $4. But yeah, so this is my little box of a lot of stuff. So, and then yeah, so wish me luck. Um, like I said, I haven't been in my craft room for almost 2.5 weeks. I finally did this film. I've been sick, and so hopefully I'll get better. And it's not COVID-19; it's just some other stuff. But I just want to say, everybody be safe, wear a mask, and I will talk to everyone later. And I want to apologize for not answering everybody in my comments on my previous videos. I just dropped everything. Sometimes I did look at YouTube videos, and then that's about it. So anyway, I'll talk to everyone later. Take care. Bye.